In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet 1020 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP LaserJet 1020 support. Best results, you come back with an HP support page that says HP LaserJet 1020 printer series software and drivers. Go ahead and open up that link. And then scrolling down, you want to select the HP LaserJet 1020 Plus full feature software and drivers. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And it should be a verified publisher, Hewlett Packard Company. Select yes. And then go ahead and proceed with the installer here, and then just follow through the end user license terms. And that's pretty much all you have to do at this point. Just make sure your printer's turned on and connected to your Wi-Fi if you have that sort of feature set up. Otherwise, you can connect it and power it up. And like I said, follow along with the on-screen directions, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.